Yes.
Your dad and Ingrid?
No.
Haley and Angelica?
Yeah. I want to dance with you, Sophie.
Go.
Keep singing. Sophie, I want to dance with the dog. Oh, here you are, Alexa.
You're so cool.
Me?
Yeah.
I know I am. I'm just jealous.
I hope I can get this to work.
Me too. Fuck it, they don't like die.
Hmm?
They don't like die soon.
What's this?
Yeah.
No?
Singing red though.
It always does that.
No, it's green sometimes.
That's when you're not recording.
Oh. No, it goes red when it's not recording too. I can't dance this song.
She reminds me of Miss Lopez at the moment.
Oh my god, I know. I like how her ass felt better.